Welcome everybody. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can make landing page in your KVCore. So here I am logged into my KVCore account, and right here lead engine and then all lead engine tools. Here's landing page. Click on here, please select a domain and click start building. We will make this landing page to generate leads that are looking for houses in Brampton under $1 million. On top left corner, it says lead generation. If you click on it, there are more options. Depending on what you choose, the layout options and stuff will change. We will go back to lead generation. Here we will assign a hashtag, so each lead that we get, this hashtag will get applied to it automatically. So I enter $1 million homes here. This field submit button is talking about this button here. So anything we enter here will change this text. So let's enter, I'm going to enter get the list. Okay, it changed here. Here you can enter a URL address. So when they click on it, it goes to your, maybe your website or somewhere. Or you can leave it blank. Maybe you want to get the email, then send it to yourself. It's up to you. But here you can do it automatically. Maybe you have created a squeeze page with this list, and that link can go here. So when they give this information, click get the list, it automatically goes to that list. You don't have to. Maybe you want to get the email first and then send it to yourself. It's totally up to you. Now here, required phone. So if you toggle this on, so the viewer must give you a phone number. I recommend leaving it off. Background, say you can change the backgrounds. I'll go with this kitchen, and lead type, we will select buyer. Alright. And here we'll change some of these information. Now be very careful. I don't need these bottom ones, right? So I'm going to show you something. By double clicking on any of these, it disappears. Okay, so you don't want to double click. If it's gone, you can't bring it back. You have to start the whole process again. Alright, so I will change the title to homes in Brampton under $1 million. So I will take all these out. Double click, double click, double click, double click. Okay, and that's it. My landing page is ready. Make sure everything is the way you want, because you can't go back and edit this. Once it's done, it's final. Alright, so let's click save, and it's telling me what I just said. You will not be able to save or edit this page. So it's just a warning that you can't save or edit this page. Once we click OK, it will go to the page. We have to save or bookmark our link. We can't get the link back. Alright, so let's press OK. And here we go. We have our landing page, and I will copy the address. I copy the address and paste it into my text document. You can also bookmark it. And let's go back to KVCore. Now here I am back in KVCore, and if I go back to the landing page, under the landing page start building, I see past landing pages. I'm not entirely sure if you see this option or not. It did warn that you can't access those addresses again, but I am paying for my personal domain name, so I'm not too sure is that's why this is, or maybe you have it just a new update. Okay, if you have this too, that's awesome. That means you don't need to bookmark those addresses. So even if I click here, I'm gonna make sure I select my domain, click past landing pages. Here they are. Here's the $1 million homes, the hashtag, right? And if I click on it, view, I see the page. And if I click on copy link, Link just copy. I can paste it anywhere. And boom, here's my landing page. I have another tutorial how you can make a squeeze page. So how you can make a list of those homes that you will send to the lead. Okay, I'll leave that link in the description, or you'll see a card pop up here and you can watch that. That is it for this tutorial. Have yourself a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.